Alright, so I'm gonna smash this Magnasonic VCR because he already has it, because Mr. Miniscope, I gave him a Datron with this mechanism and it works better. And this one doesn't work. So what we're gonna do is kill this son of a bitch. So let me start with the power supply. Let me hit as hard as I can. Wow, that broke a little piece of plastic. Let's try a circuit board. There, now it's dead. It's dead. Motherfucker, die! God, fuck. I'm gonna kill this head. Oh. Ah. Oh. This is what I think about this shit. There. I go sicko mode. You're up, man. You go kill the rest of this thing.
Yeah, my turn. Take the mini DV camcorder.
I'll take it, but I'll be using my camera too. I got it.
Alright.
Alright. It's Mr. Miniscope's turn. Yo! How about that, bitch? How about that, huh? Oh, there goes Captain Mother. Oh, it's going. Yes! Kill it. It's gotta be nothing but pieces of metal. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Woo! I gotta finish it off with one hit, that's it. I just want to hit it with one. Let me take a final hit. Take the mini DV. Because I'm gonna do something real crazy. You might want to stand back, man. I don't want to hurt you. Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, and
There!
that's okay. And I'll just finish it off now.
There's your VCR.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. There's your VCR, man. Trust me, I can go crazy.
And the front.
I want to kill the front too, man. Oh well.
And finally, we've got a beta tape here.
I want to kill the beta tape. Let me kill the beta tape.
This was the tape that went bad.
I'm gonna go kill this beta tape. I'm gonna do insta kill on this one. Oh, here's what I want to do. That's not gonna work. I'm gonna try and
Just not too hard.
well, I'll try. Let's see. Yeah, I got it. Now I need new tape. There's your tape. Merry Christmas. How about that?
Yeah.
Yo. See, I told you I can smash the Angry Grandpa style. You really should put some shoes on, I'm just saying, man. Like that, do I have mine on?
Yeah, maybe. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video.
And this is it.
Yeah. So 3 cameras filming this.
3 cameras filming. Okay. That's gonna be it. So, see you guys later. Alright, let's take this camera.